दिस इज़ माई लुक। और आज मैंने किया है फास्ट रनिंग, बहुत ही ज़्यादा फास्ट। सो आई हैव बर्नड 1000 कैलोरीज इन 1 hour बिकॉज मतलब स्टार्टिंग तो मैंने बहुत फास्ट नहीं की थी। स्टार्टिंग वॉज वेरी नॉर्मल लाइक जॉगिंग एंड देन आई डिड वेरी फास्ट रनिंग on this track. This one you can see this track. So I ran very fast on this for like बहुत तेज. You have to run and then you have to stop and then you have to run and then you have to stop like that. So in that case you burn more calories than going like in a same pace of jogging or something. So this is what I have tried today and I loved it. You can see my glowing reddish face and so I am done for today's workout because it's 6 in the morning. And just wait a minute, let me see. Okay, so I have completed 8,000 steps, but more than steps I have burned calories today because my the pace of running, the time of running was quite high, which led to having more sweating and more calorie loss. So I think this is the best way to instead of jogging or for a long time or instead of running on a particular space. I think I don't know what exactly the word should be used for. Sprint running, I guess. So you have to stop for 1 second and then you have to run like hell, like very fast, and then you have to stop and then you have to run back. So this is what you can do to burn more calories and also in very less time. So I think that is more effective and efficient when you are trying that. Today I just tried it for the first time after so long. I just got an idea like why I'm not doing like that. So I did that and it is very effective and efficient, which I can see on myself also. Like I have started half an hour when I was doing jogging on a normal pace. That is also good. I'm not saying that for beginners you have to start with jogging only. You don't do this. So I have been trying from last 2 months. I am doing exercise and workout. So I thought to try this one today, but everyone should not try this because it is not good for the beginners. And if you have the guts and courage, you can definitely do it. So when I was doing jogging, I thought that let's try something different today. So I have started running very fast, and within 1 minute, I'm telling you, within 1 minute I have lost the calories which I didn't lose in half an hour. So this is what, when you do something different, when you do daily anything, it's not about just workout. When you work on any particular field every day, day by day, you do progress in that, and it's the ideas just come in your mind. Everything just come by yourself that okay, so today let's do this, or today let's try this. So when you do any particular thing, giving your body, mind, soul, everything into that, so every day your mind will give you a different idea which will definitely work. And whatever you are doing, try to do something more than you did yesterday, then only it will be like effective. So if the same thing you will do, like if only one exercise you will do for the lifetime, I don't think that will give you more efficient result. So if you want to work on any field, you have to bring out some new ideas, you have to bring out some new techniques, some new things which you will also love, your body will also love, your mind will love. So this is what I think, this is what it is. So, and I am really, really feeling very, very good. I was having a headache when I woke up, so I thought that maybe I won't be able to run or do, but it is all about your mind and your thinking. So once I went in the field and I was like, no, I can run. So started with jogging, and then today I got this idea, and I am telling you, the more amount of calories I have lost is today, till date, in the small time period, like in just 15 minutes I have lose as much calories as I don't used to lose in 1 hour. So this is what it is. When you start doing something, when you start doing something, you train your mind, you train your body to do much better every day. So okay, so I love this exercise. I think this is more efficient when you do it. So you can also try at home whatever I did today, and trust me, you will love it. So the genuine review I am giving you, I don't care about others. Like, I don't give some suggestions which I'm not doing just for like, okay, what will happen, people will follow it. No, whatever I tell you, I will just tell you, what I am doing with that experience, I will tell you. So yeah, okay everyone, so now I am quite tired, so I think I should keep the phone. And again, it's 7 minutes I'm talking continuously. This is what my talent is. Okay, bye everyone.